Okay, let's get some people to join in this quick live here. Gonna roll here. We're gonna roll. All right, so check it out, guys. Ollie here, Chief Operations Officer of AGM. We got something for you. Special opportunity. We're jumping on this live to let you guys know about a special opportunity that is ending very, very soon. All right. So if you've ever wanted to build your very own supplement brand and not have any high inventory costs, right now is your opportunity. Here's a new brand that we just launched called Good Life Nutrition. Amazing product, tastes delicious. Let's see. Let me see here. I got multivitamin. Let me just show you some of this stuff. This is. It says you take two gummies per day. Amazing stuff. It's got niacin, vitamin A, vitamin C. It's just fantastic. It tastes delicious. It's been outsourced. The sourcing of the products are just fantastic, and we want to invite you. Man, I can't stop eating these stuff. It's great. This one is hair, skin, and nails. Let's just give you an idea of what's included. Vitamin A, C, D3, vitamin E, vitamin B6. Amazing product. And so we have an opportunity here for people who are interested in creating their own supplement brand, pet product brand, personal cleaning products, sports nutritional products. We have a ton of products for you to create your own brand, your own label, and not have high inventory costs. Zero upfront inventory cost. We have a special replay here at buildasupplementbrand.com. The replay is ending soon, in which Manuel is going to break down for you this amazing opportunity. We only have 5 days left, guys. 5 days for you guys to join in this revolutionary product. Here's the webinar page, buildasupplementbrand.com. You're going to be able to join. You're going to be able to understand how you can build your very own supplement brand. We will create your Shopify page. We will create your Amazon listings. We will create your labels, your logos. Not only that, we're also going to help you with your marketing. This is an unbelievable, unheard of system in which you can sell off one product at a time. We label it, we ship it for you. We're going to let you into our labs. We're going to allow you to go into a very unique dashboard called Honeycomb, and you're going to be able to pick the products that you want to sell. There's a huge catalog with over 100 products to choose from. You're going to be able to choose the products that you want to sell, that you're passionate about. If you're a sports guy, you're a gym guy, you're always in the gym, you want to sell your own protein that's high quality, that's delicious, right here's the opportunity for you. You no longer have to invest $100,000 worth of products. We're going to take care of the products for you, the labeling, the shipping, everything. So buildasupplementbrand.com. Watch the replay. Look at Manuel here. Here's the replay. Manuel is telling you, look at his screenshots. There's Manuel right there. $1.9 million in sales in supplements. Start your dream supplement brand today. Go watch this webinar. Understand that there's an opportunity here for you to make a ton of revenue, right? You're going to book a free call. Once you land on the page, if you want to book a call with us, get more questions answered. But right here, we also have broken down the packages that you can purchase. But look, check out this one. You get your brand, 30-minute marketing call, an Amazon storefront build out, an Amazon and a Shopify store build out. You get your own dedicated marketer, the account manager to help you with your marketing. Don't waste this opportunity, guys. Buildasupplementbrand.com. Go watch the webinar. We're going to take it down in the next 5 days. 5 days, 6 hours, 49 minutes. We're going to cut it off. This opportunity will no longer be available. Go ahead and take advantage. So I will see you hopefully on a Zoom call when you book that appointment. So have a wonderful weekend. Take the time. Watch the webinar. See you guys.